Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Minecraft using Hamachi. First, you will need to download and install LogMe and Hamachi on every computer that will be playing. Once installed, one person should create a new network, giving it a name and a password. The other players will then join this network using the provided details. Make sure everyone is successfully connected to the same Hamachi network before moving on to the next steps. Now, the player who will host the game needs to open their Minecraft world. Launch Minecraft and enter a single-player world. Once inside, press the Escape key to open the game menu. Select the option Open to LAN. You can choose Game Mode and allow cheats if desired. After clicking Start LAN World, a 5-digit port number will appear in your chat. This number is crucial for others to connect. For the other players or clients to join, they will need two pieces of information from the host: the host's Hamachi IP address and the 5-digit port number. In Minecraft, go to the multiplayer menu. Instead of looking for servers, choose Direct Connect. Here, you will type in the host's Hamachi IP address, followed by a colon and then the port number. For example, 25.0.0.0, 25565. Then click Join Server. If you encounter issues, first ensure Hamachi is running on all computers and everyone shows as online within the network. Firewall settings are a common culprit. Temporarily disabling them or adding exceptions for Minecraft and Hamachi can often resolve connection problems. Always use a strong, unique password for your Hamachi network to maintain security. With these steps, you should be able to enjoy playing Minecraft with your friends over Hamachi.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.